Rashil Anwar and you're watching Compare Education Pakistan. Today our topic is Health is Wealth, Unit 13, Grade 6, Lecture 2. Make sure that you subscribe first and then like it and then you have to share it. So let's start. Our first word is very old. It means बहुत पुराना. Clothes, कपड़े. Worn out, पटे पुराने. When, जब. Think, सोचना. Condition, हालत. Poor, غरीब. Become, होना. Smiled, मुस्कुरा दिया. Dear, प्यारे. A lot, बहुत सारा. Wealth, दौलत. Making fun, मजाक उड़ाना. Why, क्यों. Our house is very old and my clothes are worn out. हमारा घर बहुत पुराना है और मेरे कपड़े पट चुके हैं. When I think about my poor condition, I become sad. जब मैं अपनी खराब हालत गुर्बत के बारे में सोचता हूँ तो मैं उदास हो जाता हूँ. Grandfather smiled. My dear grandson, you have a lot of wealth, but you don't know. दादा मुस्कराते हुए. मेरे प्यारे पोते, आपके पास बहुत दौलत है लेकिन आप नहीं जानते. अहमद, Are you making fun of me? अहमद, क्या आप मेरा मजाक उड़ा रही हैं? अहमद, क्या आप मेरा मजाक उड़ा रहे हो? Grandfather, No, not at all. दादा, नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. Why do you think so? आप ऐसा क्यों सोचते हो? Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you all had fun learning about Health is Wealth, Unit 13, Grade 6, Lecture 2. Make sure to subscribe our channel Compare Education Pakistan. Like this video and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye. See you at the next video.